Hello guys. So this is a Codeforce round 736 Div-2 problem number A in which Gregor and Cryptography. Okay, this is it. So you can first read the problem. What is asking the problem? So Gregor is learning about RSA cryptography, and although he does not understand how RSA work, suppose anything it is given to the Gregor, but he does not understand how it is work. Okay. So he is now fascinated with prime numbers. He is fascinated with prime numbers and factoring them. Grigory's favorite prime number is P. Let's given the prime number is P. He wants to find two bases of P. Okay. उसके दो बेस को फाइंड करना चाहता है. Formally, Grigor is looking for two integers A and B which satisfy both of the following property. यानी उसके ऐसे दो नंबर आपको निकालने हैं. Which of the following two property will follow? First property is P modulo A इक्वल होना चाहिए P modulo B. यानी P modulo of A should equal P modulo of B where X and Y denote the remainder when X is divided by Y. Okay. Simply the problem say so, and it means there is any number given. Suppose this is number 17 and any number 2 A and B that divides 17 and should equal all the its remainder. If it's a remainder of both number will equal, that you can print the answer. Okay. So here it is given each test contains multiple test case. First line contains the uh, t test case and a 1000 test case given है. Each subsequent lines contain the integer p. जो p होगा, p will be value from greater than equal to 5 and less than equal to 10 power 9 with p guaranteed to be prime. Okay. Your output should consist of t lines. Each line should consist to integer A and B. A and B. A and B should also value greater than equal to 2 less than equal to P होनी चाहिए. If there are multiple possible solution, print any. Notice this line. Okay. अब suppose now we explain you. You can check here. Okay. So let's describe very way clearly. Understand. Suppose this is a 17 number given. Okay. You find A and V. Feature you can write. This is a number can write can we see P? Yeah. Yes, we can say it is a P. P. You should write P modulo A equal P modulo V. Okay. That's you need to write. Okay, guys. So, अब suppose we assume A equal we take A equal to. Okay. So we here write to 17 modulo 2 it given 1. Okay. So now you find the number V. Which number you find? Now find the number V which P modulo V should equal 1. Okay guys? Yeah. So how you find? Suppose this is a given test cases. Okay. So given test cases t equal 10 की power 3 and n होगा n is n not is n it is a p given that 10 की power 9. Okay. Suppose if you find this modulo by the for loop. Okay. If you find by the for loop for loop you never find because it's is the overflow occur because our for loop has a time complexity or our इसकी time complexity 10 power 7 approximate. Okay, yeah, it will be 10 की power 8. Okay, definitely. So you need to write the logic so you can print anything, but you can say the question. He also given that your output should consist of t lines. Okay, each line should consist of two integers a and b. A is value greater than equal to 2 and less than equal to p. Okay, if there are multiple possible solutions, print any. It can said it had said that if any other value you can also print, not even the right 3 and 5 and 4 2. So how you can write? Okay, now let's it. Suppose if this is a number given 5. Okay, okay. So सपोज जो ए है और वी है इनकी वैल्यू वो लेस देन इक्वल टू है और वो सॉरी ए एंड बी की वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 2 एंड लेस देन इक्वल टू बी. ओके, so if here 5 given, so can you write first element will always 2, you can write it. Okay, अगर if a number n it's need a modulo 2. Okay, can you write here p minus 1 equal v, so p minus 1 equal to 4. Okay guys, क्या a and b will always takes a modulo of n, oh sorry p, it will always keep the remainder 1. You can divide if bit 5 modulo 2 it's give a, you can see 2 modulo 5. Okay, it's give a remainder 1. If divide 4 modulo 5 it give remainder 1. Okay, remainder 1 ही आएगा. So okay, again let's describe another example. So suppose we take p 31. Okay guys, 31 is a prime number because in the problem is given p should always be the p is given, that is a always a prime number. Okay, so p is क्या है, prime number है. Okay, now you need to write this is a 31. If in modulo 2 remainder 1, if a b can subtract b from subtract 1 from n, it's take 30. Okay guys, yeah. So if we divide 31 modulo 2, it's always equal 31 modulo 30. It is 100% true for any number. Okay, so always you can print first value of a is 2 and v is the value of p minus 1. Okay, you can print. So find find p modulo a equal p modulo b. Okay, its two's modulo will always be equal, so we can print first element is always equal to 2 and v which will always equal to p minus 1. Now you can check my code. So, okay, so this is right way here code. Okay, uh, first we take the input of test case, and again we uh, forwarding for solve function. Now here first is 2, another is n minus 1. N is the p. Okay, whatever the value is the given. So first we run the test case. Okay, now here you can say you will always see that here is the 17. It's expected out of 35, but our output will come 260. Okay, how it is different? So you can first read the problem. Here it can write, here it had write, your output should consist of t lines. Each line should consist of two integers a and b. If there are multiple solution, if there are multiple solution, print any. Okay, so we can write here first element is 2 and another जो vv value हो गई value of v, it always be n minus 1. Now we submit the code. Okay, copy the code and go for submit. I want to say it is submitted or not. So submitted code, uh, refresh once. Again it's in the queue. It is under processing. Under processing. 5, it will not work. Come. Now it is running on test 1. So much slow the Codeforce website now test 3. And finally, uh, it's take a lot of time. It's very slow. Run test 7 test. It's slow. Sometimes Codeforce website would be very slow. But now it is test can on test 10. It's take a time. So much small code, so it's take a lot of time. यार accepted हो जाए यार. Why you take a lot of time? So finally you can see here this is accepted. Okay, so I hope we practice more and more and solve the problems of the code force. And if you find very well to me, so you can check out my YouTube channel. So thank you guys. Thank you.